So the Holiday Inn, 5905 Kirkman. Right there is the Universal parking garage. Very convenient for Universal. Sign right there says Universal Studios that way. And then there's the entrance to Universal. Right there. Walking bridge for Universal. Right there as well. Hey guys, so I'm staying at the Holiday Inn at 5095 Kirkman. It's literally right across the street from Universal. So, and I just passed my room 413. Let's check it out. All right guys, so in we go. Here we are. This is, again, it's at 5095 Kirkman, and it's literally right across the street from Universal Studios. It is a Universal partner hotel. Today's date is July 25th, Saturday night. I was able to book this room for $62 for the night off of Orbitz. It's a Travelocity company. You can use any of those sort of apps and they'll probably get you the same rate. So upon walking in, we got the closet area, safe down here. Looking back towards the door, have a microwave, in-room Keurig, and refrigerator, which is always nice to have at a hotel. Ironing board and an iron there, nice to have as well. And walking in, we got the place to put your luggage. Put mine underneath there. It's just one night. I'm only staying here. I just brought a bag. Nice full-length mirror. And 2 queen-size beds. I'll only be using one of those tonight. So, but it's a very good-sized room. Very good size. Television is definitely smallish. I'm gonna say that's probably a 32-inch television. Haven't even turned it on yet, so I don't know if there's high-definition TV or not. I'll check that out now. So yes, it does appear that it's high definition television as well, which is always a plus for a hotel. Not all of them have it, but that's nice when they do. And a desk, which is nice if you have to edit things, like I'll be using that tonight to edit with. The Wi-Fi works great here. And let's take a look at our view, and it's not much of one. You're forewarned. This is the view. Universal is actually that way. There's somebody out there playing with a drone. Check it out. But so yeah, parking lot view, standard view room, $62 a night. They did have another room that was like $99 a night, but it doesn't matter. It's just me. I'm only staying one night, so I'm not here for the view. I'm just here for somewhere to sleep and go get to Universal bright and early in the morning. Look at some of the artwork they got. I do like that classic stuff. The Holiday Inn, the classic Holiday Inn artwork. Very cool. Very cool indeed. I've not yet laid on those beds, but they look comfy. I will say that. They're 2 nice queen-size beds, and I am looking forward to getting in one of them tonight. For sure. Let's go check out the bathroom. So standing from the outside looking in, we got the nice granite top sink. Plenty of towels in there. Very clean in there. I did notice it's a very clean bathroom, which is good. In COVID times, you can never be too safe. A little bit dated, but they have done some upgrades to it. Got the curved shower curtain, which is always nice to have. Bathtub looks fairly new. I would say that's a pretty new tub. But it's nice in here. Towel rack there. I look a hot mess. Don't pay attention to me. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with this room for $62 a night. Plus, I did get here, there was a $17 parking fee, which is pretty standard in Orlando, and $25 hold that you get back when you check out. There is a TGI Fridays too that's connected to this hotel, so that's nice to know. Nice pool area too. Went and checked it out. I didn't film it, but there's a lot of people there, so I didn't want to be standing there with a camera and filming a pool with tons of people. That would have been a little strange. But there's a TGI Fridays here, which is great because you don't even have to leave to eat. It's if you have children 11 years and younger, they eat free. So all you got to do is go to the lobby, the check-in area, and you ask them for the voucher. And yeah, I don't remember if it's how many it was. I think it was one. I think 11 years and younger eat free, which is a good deal if you have a child that's 11 and under. I don't, but somebody might. So that's good to know. But yeah, so TGI Fridays. I'm gonna eat there tonight. So this is the lobby of the Holiday Inn. And you just turn down the hallway and you get to TGI Fridays this way. And it's literally connected to the hotel. How awesome is that? It's a view from the 4th floor. There's Universal. So yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. I just wanted to, give you a quick tour of the Holiday Inn 5905 Kirkman, right across the street from it, Universal Studios. You've seen how close that was. That is right there. It is not even worth it to drive there. You might as well walk. By the time you get out of here, get back on I-4, or you don't have to get on I-4, but get around to the entrance of the parking garage, you might as well walk. I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna leave the car here and walk over there because why not? It's gonna be just as fast to get in there. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new here, and leave me a comment. Let's talk about it. Tell me if you stayed here before. Do you come to the Orlando area a lot? I do. I've stayed at many hotels here. I'm going to start doing more of these tours, though, on the hotels that I do stay at, because I don't always stay on property. I do sometimes, but not always, because that gets expensive. But yeah, thanks for joining me, and stay tuned because there's a lot more to come on this channel. And as always, guys, until next time, stay magical, y'all.